how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. So let's get started. First of all, in your mobile device, open up your Chrome browser and now in the search bar, type in TopGG. Now once you land on this interface, head over to the first link that says top.gg or Discord bots. Tap on that. Now from here, all you have to do is tap on this search bar and then search for the bots that you would like to add in your Discord server. Here I will go with the audio. And after that, you will receive or see multiple Discord bots related to your search that you can add to your server. So select the one that you would like to add. Once you select that, you will get to this next interface. From here, you have to tap on this button that says invite. Tap on that. Now that will take you to next page. Here, if you have not signed into your account, you may be asked to log into your account. So simply enter your login credentials and log into your Discord account. Here I am already signed in, so I will directly land on this interface. So after you sign into your Discord account, you will also get to this interface. Now from here, you have to select the server that you would like to add to, where you are the admin of the server. So from this drop down menu, select the server and all the server that you are admin of will pop up in your interface. From there, choose a server. And once you have chosen a server, tap on continue. Here scroll down a bit and then go through all of this. It says that confirm that you want to grant the bots the following permissions on your server. So make sure you go through all of this, then tap on authorize from the bottom of this drop down box. Now for your verification, tap on this option that says I am a human. And after you do that, the bot has been successfully added to your Discord server. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.